Let me bring in a lawyer for suspect Kofi Esel. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to the Pulse.
Yes. Good afternoon.
So, for you, how did it go in court for you and your client?
Yes. I like the way you introduced the matter. Now, the matter has been going on for 6 years.
Right.
For 6 years, if you say you have something on a suspect, I believe regarding the way they came to court, if they had the facts right, the circumstances surrounding all the facts they put around that my client ran away and all that, those are not the proper facts. He traveled. For someone to travel and come back to Ghana for a murder case that you have been going on 6 years, and he has just traveled with a clear conscience and come back into Ghana, and you just put facts together and say that he ran out of the jurisdiction and then came back and all that. They are not proper facts. They are not true.
Meaning what? Your client has been staying and working in Ghana all this while?
If you want me to go into it, is it Erastus I'm talking to?
No, this is Elton, sir.
Elton, yes. You know my client. He has been in collaboration with Joy FM.
Yes.
With this FDA expose. He's in country. He has done FDA expose, Pharmacy Council. It's different expose, which he's run with Joy FM. There are some in court with injunctions on them. He has been working. He is in country. He has never gone anywhere apart from traveling once some years ago. He has been in country. So I don't know what the police are saying.
So
and if you come to court and you said you prefer proper charges, so what did you come to curtail the freedom of a citizen of Ghana, only in the name of the brute force of the police service? We just pray the court will not lend its arm to such lawlessness by the police, because it's not right. If you don't have anything, you let the person go. There's a presumption of innocence, not presumption of guilt. And this practice of remand, it's like a constructive conviction. The person is convicted, go and be in prison custody or police custody. I see it. We've gone to it's retrograde. It's retrograde in our judicial system, in our justice system. To be always latching onto remand, the police will always come remand. Why can't you do solid investigation before you put someone before in a trial on a matter of a murder? Where you have to go by indictment, you do committals and then you go into the proper trial. If you haven't gotten anything on him, why come and keep him?
Are you aware when he became a person of interest to the police?
I was engaged at a time, and my instructions and the information I have is what my client has informed me as to when the police have within the administrative arrangements, when he became a person of interest, I can't tell. It's with the police, with the domain of the police to tell when. And a person of interest should also could have been invited one way or the other. If you said, these are circumstantial evidence just put together, lumped together. That's why I said they are shambolic. The charges of a shambolic. There's no evidence to back it. There's no facts. The facts behind the charges, nothing. The brief facts are nothing it doesn't hold any water. Let alone to establish a guilt and conviction.
I asked because in one breath we are being told that this suspect had run out of the jurisdiction. In another breath we are also being told that he was in a way assisting.
I don't like media warfare. As a lawyer, I do my practice in the court.
Yes.
Because Ahmed was a media person, my client is also a media person. We know the media will be very interested, but we should be circumspect in our reportage. We should deal with the law as it is. The sacrosanctity of the law, and not just media hype and scheming.
And I'm asking whether, was there any point he was assisting the police in their investigation relating to this matter?
He has been. Since Saturday, I am assisting them. He's interrogated, taking statements, caution statements, and all that. And how can you even say in one breath he disclosed? Look at the brief fact. He disclosed pictures. One breath, and another breath, he's being charged with murder proper. I mean, I don't have to do their work for them, so I don't know what they want. They just want to remand him. So that's why they came with this bogus charge against him today. It is all that the police want.
So if I understand,
that is not the position of the law.
If I understand, the reason why he's been charged with murder is because he has pictures of the deceased.
That he's a friend, he's his colleague. If he has ever had pictures, they haven't even established that. If he has ever had pictures of him, they are friends, they are colleagues. I don't think they hide themselves as Tiger IPI, where they used to work. They don't mask up at Tiger Eye, they work together. And there's that conviviality between them. They play, they joke, they eat together. So what is it with pictures or whatever? But we'll get there. How they will prove this charge of murder. I hope they will not go and then hurriedly do something else, because they come with a charge of murder against him. And then the whole world has seen it. So we live to see and we wait to see.
But what is your client's reaction to the claim that he sold the pictures of Ahmed Suale to Kennedy, Japan?
It's obvious. A man who is innocent was taken aback and surprised that what is this? I have never sold any pictures and all that. So I don't know where they are coming from that he sold pictures.
But if he sell the pictures to Kennedy, Japan,
they would have to prove it beyond the reasonable doubt. If he's ever sold it, where that mercantile transaction took place.
Did he or did he not sell the pictures to Kennedy, Japan?
Oh, this question you're asking me, we are going into a criminal matter, and you are asking me, a lawyer for the accused.
I'm guessing by now there's been some kind of conversation between the two of you, because that is the police hook in all of this that we've been told.
He never did, if he wanted that way. But you can't, in law, I'm saying that it is on the facts and the evidence. They will get to that point in the court. But I can say on authority that he never did. He never did. If you want that kind of statement.
Do you expect the prosecution?
I believe in his innocence as a lawyer.
All right.
As his lawyer.
Do you expect the prosecution to amend the charge?
That's why I said I don't have to do their work for them. What they came with, we will go with that. But the whole world has seen the charge they came with, so everybody has said what they came with.
The judge...
Well, I don't have to teach them their work or say... And you know, such prosecutions, the AGs will be passed. So let's see.
The judge who is presiding over the case, we are told, said that she had to remand him because of the other people connected to this case. I don't know what that means for you.
Yes. So you with the judge and then the matter, the pronouncement or the statement by the court, I wouldn't want to comment on them. I just granted this interview just to comment on some of the peripherals, but not the substantive matter. And then what the court said and all that. Yes. But then it goes without saying, we are all men of appreciable intelligence and basic understanding of the law. So everybody would make a judgment. The public will make their judgment that if a matter you now are going around fishing for suspects and whatever, and then you've already slapped someone with a charge of murder. Now you want to say you have other suspects. That's what I'm saying, that this circumstantial evidence they are claiming they have. When we talk about circumstantial evidence, you should point to only one and only person, or only the accused person, whoever they are, the number. Those accused persons you think you are the culpable people, and not other probable culprits. Otherwise, it doesn't hold any water. It's just allegations. And these are all they are latching on with some circumstantial evidence they believe they have.
Okay.
Yes.
My final question.